Hello student, I welcome you all in the online class of General Knowledge. Today I will be teaching you chapter 17, that is logos, the identity marks. Okay, first we will see the definition of logo. Okay, see, a symbol or a small design adopted by an organization to identify its product is known as a logo. Okay, as it is quite clear with the definition that a logo is a small mark which is used by a company to identify its product. Okay, today we will study about the logos of Make in India, Adidas, Airtel, Hindustan Petroleum, Tata Motors, SBI Bank, MTNL, PNB. Okay, we will know about the logos of these companies, that who made the logos of these companies and in which year. Okay, so all of you open page number 20. First, we will know about the logo of Make in India, as it is clear with the name that Make in India. Okay, spelling is M-A-K-E, Make, in, I-N, in, and India. India's I will be capital, I-N-D-I-A. Okay, its main aim is to produce or create all the things here in the country, and you can sell it anywhere. Okay, to create the manufacture of goods in India, this thing was invented. Okay, now second logo is given about Adidas. As you can see, 3 lines in between the flower of lotus. Okay, spelling of Adidas is A-D-I-D-A-S. Okay, Adidas. In the beginning, Adidas was making only sports thing. Okay, sports shoes and other things related to sports, but also the form of the shape of mountain which represents the challenges athlete face. Okay, its main aim is to produce or manufacture the goods related to sports. See, third number logo is of Airtel. Okay, as you can see the symbol A-I-R-T-E-L, Airtel. Okay, the main aim of the logo is a stylized A, or as the company puts it, in the Airtel Wave. In fact, the name Wave was chosen as the result of a 6-month-long online contest. Okay, the symbol is supposed to convey a no boundaries of ideas. Main aim of the symbol is to present no boundaries. Okay, it is written A in a stylish form. See, number 4 logo is of Hindustan Petroleum. See, spelling H-I-N-D-U-S-T-A-N, Hindustan Petroleum, P-E-T-R-O-L-E-U-M, Hindustan Petroleum. Okay, it was designed in 1974. The logo for Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, in short HPCL, celebrates the club HP. Okay, high quality personalized vehicle and consumer care. Okay, The visual form connect with the concept instantly. Okay. It belongs to HP group. Okay. As it is here also written HP. See. Fifth one is Tata Motors. Spelling is TATAMOTORS. As you can see in blue, T is written with white. Okay. The logo stands for excellence and reliability and strength of the company's products. Okay. See, number 6 logo is of SBI Bank. Okay. In the full form of SBI is State Bank of India. Is a blue circle with a small cut. As you can see, here it is blue circle and it is a small cut at the bottom. It was designed by Shekhar Kamath, an alumni of National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad. The logo was believed unveiled on October 1, 1971 on the day of inauguration of the SBI Central Office. Okay. See, number 7 logo is MTNL. Okay. MTNL stands for Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited. Mahanagar Telephone Nagar Limited. Okay. It is a state-owned telecommunication company in India. Its its main aim is transparency makes us different. It provides services particularly in 2 metro cities of India, Mumbai and Delhi, including the adjoining cities. Adjoining cities means nearby cities like Noida, Ghaziabad, Gurgaon, Faridabad, etc. Number 8 logo is of PNB, Punjab National Bank. It is written in Gurmukhi Lipi. Okay. The Gurmukhi letter form enclosing a circle complements the identity of PNB as a nationalized bank. Okay. System of the bank under the control of government. Okay. This is the logo of Punjab National Bank. Okay. So students, today we learned about the logo of Make in India, Adidas, Airtel, Hindustan Petroleum, Tata Motors, SBI Bank, MTNL and Punjab National Bank. So now you will be identify these logos anywhere very easily. Okay. Revise the chapter. Thank you.